Imagine this, a tiny scratch on your hand, something you wouldn't even notice, could kill you in just a few days. We live in a world protected by invisible armor. Every single day, antibiotics shield us from deadly bacteria. But what if that armor shattered? What if, tomorrow, antibiotics stopped working? Tonight, step with me into a future that could be closer than we think. A world where a simple scratch could end a life. Antibiotics have been our secret weapon for less than a century. Before them, infections were feared, and death could come from the smallest wounds. Now imagine a world where antibiotics no longer save us. Superbugs, bacteria that resist all known treatments, have taken over. Some experts warn we are heading toward a post-antibiotic era, a time when common infections become deadly again. Hospitals become battlegrounds, and doctors are left with empty hands. It starts innocently. You're gardening, playing basketball, or just washing dishes. You get a tiny cut, you clean it, you cover it, and you forget about it. But in this new world, bacteria seize their chance. They enter your body unchallenged. Within hours, the skin around the scratch turns red, hot, and swollen. It throbs with pain. A fever sets in. Normally, a single pill would stop it in its tracks. But now, the bacteria multiply. Your immune system fights back, but it's overwhelmed. Pus forms. The infection spreads deeper, reaching muscles, even bone. Days pass. The infection enters your bloodstream. Sepsis begins, a deadly cascade inside your body. Your organs struggle, starved of oxygen. Hospitals try everything, old remedies, aggressive surgeries, even amputations. But often, it's not enough. People die from what used to be minor wounds. The world changes. Every scrape, every surgical cut, every childbirth becomes a gamble with death. Children die from playground injuries, cancer treatments, organ transplants, even dental work become high risk or impossible. Doctors are forced to turn people away. Simple infections shut down schools, factories, entire cities. Fear spreads faster than disease. Modern medicine, as we know it, collapses. Life expectancy falls. Humanity is thrown back a century, facing threats we thought were gone forever. So, could a simple scratch kill you? In a world without antibiotics, the answer is yes. The real question is this: how close are we to living in that world? And what would you do if the armor disappeared? Would you survive? Tell us in the comments, and think twice next time you ignore a small cut.